How many ants do you think on this island?
Birthday! Woo! Woo! 25! Happy birthday to you. Nice, man.
Thank you very much. Oh, what is it?
Pull up.
Oh shit. What? You got me a present.
Yeah.
What the fuck?
It's your birthday, man. I wasn't gonna forget about it.
Oh, what the fuck? Cheers, bro. Damn. What? What a guy. What a fucking guy. Damn, you even got my name on there.
So the engraving
Was done by
was
you.
actually done by me.
Really?
So, what's that?
Alright, I just finished it now and it looks pretty good. Pretty happy with it. I'm kidding. It looks like shit. I'm sorry. If you learn anything from this story, get someone pro to do these things because it's hard. Sorry, baby.
Oh, bro. Give me some love, brother. Oh, thanks, man.
Well, open it up.
Clock down, 10 till 2. Beat the traffic on the way down. Left side of Malibu, burning daylight on the 101. I've been jumping over fences, breaking my back just to get off the ground. Think I'm running out of chances, beating up time just to slow it down. I need to get away, I need a place to clear my mind. I need to get away, I need a West Coast sunset paradise. I need to get away, I need a place to clear my mind. I need to get away, I need a West Coast sunset paradise. I need to get away. On fire, here with you, crashing waves on the shoreline. From here, the skyline views, haven't seen them in a long time.
Alright, so we got pretty lucky today. We managed to get one big coral trout, which I'll bring up now. Nice size. Let's see what size we got. About the 52 centimeter margin. Nice, beautiful, good size. It's good shit, man. So we just woke up. The plan for today is that we're going to go to 2 islands and explore the rest of the island, which is right there, and an amazing sunrise, and see if we find anything cool. Let's go. So we just finished our explore around 2 islands. The plan is now that we're heading over to Lizard Island for more adventures. If you guys are enjoying the videos, please like and subscribe. That would be awesome. And then we'll see you guys for the next video.
Whoa.